here at one of the small parks on Blythe Island and Beachside Drive, and maybe not the best day to get pictures, but it's a beautiful walk here. Note no motorized vehicles here. Some beautiful docks out here and beautiful homes all along here. Dogs are sure enjoying the walk. Maxie, come on back. Come on. It says private. You're not supposed to be on there. I think Maxie and Cooper ought to be careful. There's a themed Georgia Bulldogs doghouse here. Hey guys, come on back here. Come on, you gotta get off the dock. Come on, come on, come on back. The dogs have got to check out each one of the docks here. Maxie, come on back. You shouldn't be out there. Beautiful homes here, all with a great view, and most of which have got their own private docks, and many with fire pits out here. Beautiful palm trees here, backdrop to the fire pit. And obviously they take great pride in their country, as well as supporting Trump here based upon the flags. All over here on the island there's some beautiful, not sure the kind of oak, but it's an oak tree laden with moss, and then great big beautiful majestic pines all over the island. Hey guys, I guess you don't get to go on that one. They got you blocked out. Beautiful big home here at the beginning of the beachside walkway. And another view of this great big beautiful home. Majestic palm trees all around it. Look at the height of those over there. Here. And even at the main entrance, look at the size of those. Beautiful home. And the majestic big oak. Probably 100, 150 years old. Again, more majestic palm trees. And this home is classic of the expensive homes here on the island. The primary living quarters is 10 feet up in the air. Garage and storage area and stuff in the lower areas of the home, allowing for flooding and so forth. What do you think, Max? So just a marker as to where we're at. We're just beyond Midway Circle on Landing Street. And again, that home in the beginning of that beachside walk, no vehicles allowed, with lots of docks. And so we were just one block off of Blythe Island Drive, which Jim lives on, my brother Jim.